Large, red, juicy bell peppers stuffed with a Mexican blend of chorizo, ground beef, vegetables, and spices. I'm Tess, and come join me as I make my Mexican chorizo stuffed peppers. I found these gorgeous big red bell peppers at the market, and they inspired tonight's dinner. I cut them in half, removed the seeds and veins, and placed them in my baking dish. I'm adding 1 cup of water to the bottom, covering and baking at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes or until the peppers are tender. I'm using a blend of ground beef and chorizo for these stuffed peppers. First, I'm cooking the 1 pound of ground beef on medium-high, chopping until fine and no longer pink. Once done, I'm draining and setting the burger to the side. In the same pan on medium-high heat, I'm adding in a ½ pound of chorizo with the casing removed, cooking and chopping until the oils release from the chorizo. This is 1 small finely diced yellow onion and 3/4 cup of diced bell peppers, cooking and stirring for 3 to 4 minutes. Adding in 4 cloves of minced garlic and 1 4-ounce can of chopped green chilies with the juices, cooking and stirring for another minute. You can see we're really starting to build some flavors. Now I'm adding my drained ground beef back into the pan, giving that a good stir to incorporate. I'm also adding in 1 cup of salsa, and you can use your favorite brand and heat. 1 cup of drained canned corn, and 1 cup of cooked long-grain white rice, giving that another good toss. This is going to be a rich and filling meat, grain, and vegetable mixture for the bell peppers. For the spices, I have a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper, 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning, and 1½ teaspoon each of oregano and cumin, giving that a mix, cooking and stirring for 1 minute, then turning off my heat. The peppers are nice and steamed and tender. I'm draining off any excess water on the bottom of the pan. First, I'm sprinkling a little grated cheddar cheese on the bottom of each pepper. Then I'm carefully spooning in the meat-vegetable mixture for the stuffing. You want to pack them nice and full. These are nice large bell peppers, so each one of these halves is a healthy serving. You could also add some beans like black beans or pinto beans, or any kind of vegetable that you like. The meat and spices are adding most of your flavor. Another suggestion would be adding in a can of rotel or diced tomatoes. This will tend to make a little more juice for the stuffing, but we like it on the drier side, kind of like a burrito stuffing. Topping each pepper with some more grated cheese. These Mexican stuffed peppers are going back into the oven uncovered for 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is melted and everything is heated through. The Mexican stuffed peppers are done and smelling good. These peppers are packed full of flavor and textures. Serving tonight with some sliced avocados and lime. These are great with a side of pico de gallo or rice. I'm going to go with a dollop of sour cream on top. I hope you give my Mexican chorizo stuffed bell peppers a try. And enjoy! If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!